Hindi pa rin makapaniwala sina Zephanie at Michael Sager sa magagandang feedback na nakukuha nila para sa kanilang afternoon prime series na Born to Shine. Samut-saring posts, edits, pati na memes ang nakikita nila online. At lahat daw ay validation for the hard work they put in the project.
Grabe po, actually, tinatry ko po na hindi masyadong isipin yung kung ano yung nangyayari outside. I mean, parang gusto ko lang po mag-focus talaga dun sa process. Pero nakikita ko nga po na marami nating nagmamahal sa show, sa story, and sa mga characters namin. I'm just so happy po talaga.
Seeing the edits that fans are making and their tweets, their comments, nakakatuwa lang that they like what they're seeing.
Isang malaking bagay na hindi lang struggling performers ang nakaka-relate sa kwento ng Born to Shine. Kita rin kasi ang kwento ng pamilya at pagkakaibigan sa maraming tagpo ng serye.
Ang buhay naman po maraming pagsubok talaga yan. So marami pang pagsubok na dadaanan. Hindi lang po si Jenny, kundi yung mga kaibigan niya, yung family niya. And dapat abangan nila yan kasi marami pang mga revelation.
Bukod sa Born to Shine, thankful at excited naman si Michael dahil mapapanood na sa mga sinihan ang horror film na Huwag Kang Titingin. Ito raw ang kanyang first movie.
We didn't expect what we were doing kasi imagination namin half of the time, and seeing the final edit, nakakatakot pala. We're so happy and thankful for the project.
Nelson Canlas, nagbabalita para sa GMA News. Simple yet special ang natanggap na regalo ng uniko iho ni Nakapuso Primetime King and Queen Dingdong Dantes at Marian Rivera na si Sixto Dantes. Isang pet chicken. Chika ni Yanyan, wish talaga ito ng kanilang bunso sa kanyang 7th birthday celebration. Tila nakabuo na nga ng bond sina Sixto at kanyang pet na hawak pa ng birthday boy while blowing his birthday candles. Nagsama-sama ang 35 recording labels and groups para sa 2026 Pari Spotlight sa Quezon City. Pinag-usapan siya ng 5 main goals ng Philippine Association of the Record Industry o PARI for 2026 hanggang 2027. Kabilang ang official PARI certification plaques na may Gold, Platinum at Diamond Awards. 39 Awit Awards na gaganapin this coming September na may major updates. Gaya ng awit voting community kung saan ang mga magwawagi ay pipiliin ng kanilang kapwa music industry professionals at bagong award categories. Naka-line upin sa event ng PARI ang Dangal ng Musikang Filipino Awards, Awit Fest na pinakamalaking OPM Music Festival, at ang The Awit Awards Museum.
One of the things that PARI believes in that could be a very big export for the Philippines is actually music. We are really one of the best globally when it comes to talent. So I think it's about time for us to really organize all the organizations, organize the premier award show, and also creating that museum where all of us can really celebrate OPM.
Nelson Canlas, nagbabalita para sa GMA News.